Hey guys, it's Jen here from Nails by Jen. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be another roll the dice challenge video. This time we are doing Halloween theme. So as you can see, for the first choice of the roll for colors, I just wrote out 6 different color combinations, and then for the second one of all the designs, we're rolling 3 times to get 3 different designs. So as you could see, she rolled 1 for the color, which was purple, green, orange, black, and white. Then she rolled an 8 for the design, which was candy, then a 7, which was ghosts, and a 4 for pumpkins and jack-o'-lanterns. So I started off by taking my Madam Glam Perfect Black, and we are going to do black on the pinky nails, and they're also going to have some foils on them. So this client was really hoping to get like more gory design ideas, but unfortunately that's not what she rolled. And when you play the Roll the Dice challenge, there's no cheating allowed, so we just went with it. So like I said, we're going to apply the black on both of the pinkies, and then on the ring fingers we decided to do some marbling. So for the marble nail, you want to put down a very thin layer of a clear top coat. I'm using the Young Nail Stain Resistant. And then as you can see, I just kind of dollop the purple, the green, and the orange, and the white. And then I just take my brush and sort of marble through them. Now you want to be careful not to marble it too much. You don't want to muck about with it, because all of those 3 colors, if you mix them together, the purple, orange, and the green, they will turn brown. So you want to be careful not to play around too much with it. Just kind of marble through, pull the colors through, and then get it into the light to cure. So for the middle fingers, we wanted to incorporate the jack-o'-lantern or the pumpkin design that she rolled. So I just custom mixed 2 oranges from Madam Glam and created this sort of brighter orange. And this is going to be the nail that has the jack-o'-lantern on it. So I have some decals that are from Glitter Mix Canada. You will see me apply to these nails, and they are glow in the dark, super, super cute. And then on the pointer fingers, I wanted to do a sparkle. So I know sparkle wasn't part of the design, but you guys, I just had to use this new glitter gel that I got from Daily Charm. It is called Abracadabra, and it's a holographic flash gel. It is so, so pretty, and that nail is also going to have the ghost design on it. So the next thing that I did was I took my ombre brush from Glitter Mix Canada, and I mixed up a little bit of black into the orange to make it a little bit darker. And I'm going to take the ombre brush, and I'm just going to draw some vertical lines down the nail just to kind of create that sort of texture of a pumpkin. I'm going to go back in after I put on the decal and add some more lines as well. And then on the thumbnail, I'm going to do some more marbling, and this time we just decided to marble the orange and the black. So for the thumbnail, I'm doing it the exact same way that I did the other marble nail. So I'm applying a thin layer of my Young Nail Stain Resistant, and then I'm actually going to mix in some glow-in-the-dark pigment from Easy Flow, and I'm going to mix it with some Young Nail Stain Resistant on the side, and then I'm going to blob on my orange and my black, and I'm going to marble that glow pigment in with those two colors as well.
Perfect.
And now going back to the jack-o'-lantern nail, I'm just wiping off the dispersion layer. I do find that the decals stick just a little bit better if you do wipe off that dispersion layer. So we picked one of these little jack-o'-lantern faces that glow in the dark, and I'm just going to place it into the middle. It was a little bit small for the nail, but we just decided to go with it. And then you're going to notice I will draw some lines down the center and along the side, just to give, again, that sort of curvature look of a pumpkin. So next up, going back to the pinky nails, I am going to be applying some of the Glitter Mix Canada foil gel. So I apply this more towards the center of the nail. I just don't go all the way to the edge, and I apply it very, very thin. If you apply this too thick, it does wrinkle when it cures. And then I'm going to go in with some foils. So we originally picked up purple foil, green, orange, and white, and it was a matte white, but we decided to actually leave the matte white off because once we did the other three colors, we just thought that they looked really good on their own.
Perfect.
Okay guys, so I was really excited to try this new little ghost technique. I've been seeing it all over Instagram. So I'm sure that the Instagram photos that I'm seeing, they've been using a blooming gel, but I don't have a blooming gel. So I'm just using my Young Nail Stain Resistant. So I'm just putting down a thin layer of the top coat, and then I'm going in with my white gel polish from Madame Glam, and I'm just using this little bit of a thicker brush. And as you can see, I'm just kind of patting in the white gel polish and then sort of pulling it down. And I do kind of play with it a little bit, and then as you let it sit in the wet top coat, it sort of starts to spread and move out. Now if you used a blooming gel, this would happen a lot faster and probably a lot more, but I don't have a blooming gel, like I said, and I apologize, you guys, for the constant blurriness. For some reason, every single nail that I was working on, the camera would focus on other nails, either my nails or just other nails. Like right now it's focusing on the pointer finger, or sorry, the ring finger and the middle finger rather than the ghost finger. So I apologize for the blurriness that is happening. So I did end up wiping the dispersion layer off before I put on the eyeballs, because I found when I tried putting them on with the dispersion layer, they did spread a little bit, and you really want them to be crisp little dots. And as you can see, once you put those little eyeballs on, these little ghosts really come to life, or I guess death. So we can't forget about adding the candy design. So I'm using this stamping plate, which I'm pretty sure I got off of eBay, and I'm just using that little trick or treat candy stamp. I'm also using my Born Pretty stamping polish. This one is called Throne and it is black. I really like the Born Pretty stamping polishes, you guys. I have another video on that as well. So I'm going to be applying the stamp to the ring fingers over that purple, green, orange, and white marbling. And the last thing we have to do is top coat. So I am applying a thicker top coat onto the foil nails and also onto the decal nails. I'm using my Young Nails gloss, and then I'm also going to put a layer of stain resistant on all of the nails. But the ring fingers where I did the stamp, I'm also going to do 2 coats of the Young Nails stain resistant. So hopefully you followed me there. But I always do 2 coats onto stamping with regular nail polish or stamping polish, because I find if I don't, sometimes when I go to wipe that dispersion layer off of the top coat, some of the stamp can wipe out. So as long as you're putting either a thicker top coat or 2 layers of top coat onto your stamping, you should be fine. Okay, you guys, I tried so hard to get a photo and video of them glowing, and this was literally the best I could do. It just would not focus, but they turned out so cool. And this is how they look all lit up in the light. I love the little ghosts. They're so freaking cute. I love that technique. So whoever was the original creator, kudos to you. And I absolutely have been loving seeing your roll the dice challenges, you guys. Keep tagging me in them. It's so fun. I loved this Halloween theme. I'm definitely going to do a Christmas themed one as well. I hope that you enjoyed this video, you guys. If you did, please share it with someone else. And as always, have an amazing day.